Hi, guys. Welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today, we're going to learn how to update multiple orders at once on your Wix site. Here's how you can do it. Go to your site's dashboard and then go to Sales and select Orders. Here, you should see your order list. Take the check boxes of the orders you'd like to work on. Select as many as you need to. Once you do that, options will appear at the top. You'll then have the options to assign tags to your orders, export them, print them, mark them as fulfilled, and for even more options, go to More Actions here, and you can mark them as paid, create an invoice, or archive them. So go ahead and select an action you would like to do. It depends on you. And that's it. That's how you manage multiple orders at the same time using the available options Wix has. We hope you found today's video of help. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.